Hi there, I want to show you how you can use Alteryx's LiveQuery feature in combination with Snowflake's Cortex AI functions to analyze customer product reviews and sentiment. With LiveQuery, you can leverage these AI functions directly in your Alteryx workflow using simple SQL statements, no external APIs, no data movement, no credential juggling, just AI-powered functionality where your data already lives. Think about it. With LiveQuery, data analysts now can translate and summarize customer reviews, analyze sentiment across thousands of support tickets and provide follow-up recommendations, and more, all with simple SQL functions. Here we can see an example workflow where we combine multiple Snowflake datasets together that include product review data, which holds customer feedback and review rating data for specific products bought, customer segment data, which identifies customers by age, lifetime value, and other segments, product catalog data, which identifies each product sold, manufacturer, price, and what category it sits in. We can blend and join these datasets together using familiar Alteryx join tools, but using the new LiveQuery features of our Alteryx One platform, we can perform AI functions against this data using Snowflake's Cortex AI functions. Here are some examples using the SQL transform tool. We can use Snowflake's Cortex sentiment function to analyze the sentiment of the customer's feedback to obtain a sentiment score using easy-to-understand SQL code from the joined dataset. We can use other Snowflake functions such as the AI aggregate function to understand what are the top 3 most common product issues in the dataset. Here we can see that the most common issues were overheating, battery life, and connectivity issues for the electronics product category. Here we can see another example of the Snowflake AI aggregate function for the clothing category based on the prompt analyze these clothing product reviews and provide a comprehensive list of all product issues mentioned. Format your response as a bulleted list of issues with their approximate frequency and percentage. Next up, we can use Snowflake's AI classify function to segment each review into different types such as sizing issue, color issue, fabric quality, washing and pricing issues. Once we have identified these common issues, we can then call Snowflake's AI complete function to draft an appropriate response back to the customer, and an email can be automatically sent to the customer to help improve customer retention and satisfaction. Moving on to PII, or personally identifiable information, we can also use functions to remove any sensitive data from customer feedback data that lead to identity theft, fraud, and privacy breaches. The AI redact function can be used to redact certain categories of personal data, such as name, email, phone number, address, age, and date of birth, and store the redacted comments in a new column. We can then use the AI complete function to analyze the customer feedback to check for any other personally identifiable data and verifying that all PII data has been identified and redacted. Finally, we can combine the AI extract and AI sentiment functions to extract keywords from the customer feedback such as emotion, intent, and other keywords to extract important classifier and sentiment data to better serve and respond to our customers. All this can be achieved in a single Alteryx workflow using the push-down functionality of LiveQuery and Snowflake and the chaining of various AI functions to build a powerful analysis pipeline.